seems close, yeah, it's not far. RNA replicates DNA every day so I can spit these bars. Nucleotides are so cool, composed of 3 subunit molecules. Nitrogen in space will spray up in your face. 5 carbon sugar hanging round like a booger. While phosphates are lacking, they matching everything to make the perfect cell. Makes up all muscle from a mouse to a whale. To develop like a cantaloupe, the cell has to unfold like an envelope. Then the DNA gives instructions like a teacher for the development and features of all living creatures. DNA is found in the nucleus. Better run in a bomb shelter cause I'm nuking this. Process and location of DNA replication. Traits passed down from fathers end up creating whole nations. DNA is split to make 2 copies. This stuff happens inside your body, specifically in the nucleus. My bars are so advanced you can't even deal with this. DNA polymerase is the main enzyme that makes all the craze necessary to DNA replication, like the leader is to the nations. Human evolution, we came from monkeys. Nah, that's a misconception, but we have common ancestors. But that don't mean that there are brethren. Yeah, bone structures are similar, but we used to be significantly smaller. But don't get me wrong, they were still ballers. Our bone structure is certainly close, but you can see some change in our toes. Homo sapiens, early civilization, maybe long ago, sooner than the dinosaur extinction. Take a fossil, see how far back it goes, then tell me we ain't related to these past bros. An example of a mutation, sickle cell anemia has a bad reputation. Makes you age really fast like your life be speed racing. This is all caused by substitution in the beta hemoglobin gene. Even one small mistake can mess up everything. But some mutations can be advantageous, like increased bone density. We needed that if we were to fall climbing trees. Things like this only strengthen up our fitness. So if we need to get down to business, weaker organisms end up on milk cartons saying missing. But not us, we living strong, and I'm not lying, because we were able to escape that lion that was spying and eyeing up the weak links, then destroys them before they can even think. But the ones who escaped will pass their offspring and the speed down, and now they can take up before the lion even springs. Without different fitness, speciation can exist. Lil bug blending in with the tree like a gilly in the mist. He survives while his brightly colored brethrens hide, but they certainly not looking undercover this time. Next thing you know, they died. This living bug got the better chance because he moved from the densely green rainforest to the mountains with the needles and the pine trees. Over time, he will turn brown from the type of trees all around him, and this process will leave you astounded. This bug's ancestors survived with predators all around to pass the traits because predators couldn't see what was right in front of their face. Now that the rainforest bugs and the mountaintop thugs look so different, they don't recognize each other and won't do anything intimate. Better say farewell, because even if they did, their baby would be sterile. That means Earth created a new species. So much time put into this process, it's hard to believe.
Something that happens in the nucleus is this. Transcription copies DNA, yeah, you can't miss it. Reads genes that are passed like gas. It happens fast, like the left lane. A mutation isn't even that insane. Comes from genes that are inherited from parents and offspring. In every way, it happens every day. Messenger RNA makes me gay in a happy way. Amino acids come from this, so you better shut up before I drop a diss track. You fool, it only takes 3 parts to make the mother flippin' rule. It goes to messenger RNA, transfer RNA, ribosomal RNA. It goes down as I spray my lyrical genius on this. They do one thing, Work for the human and flash their bling. Man, don't be a fool and play it cool. This project was hard, but we don't seem to make the rules. It was hard, but I just finessed an A+. It got me stressed, but it was worth it. Now I can go to college and afford it. Yo, peace.
Gang.